All right, part two. Simple above ground pool instructions, preparations, installation. We're on the sand. If you didn't see part one, check it out. Part two is dumping and leveling sand. Should not take you long at all to do this. If you didn't see part one, we've got a 2x4 level on it. You're going to drag that level around since the ground was already level, hopefully from your first round in leveling. Your sand will go down real easy. This is going to take me probably 5-10 minutes. Dump all the bags and drag the sand. You get that thing nice and level, and you're ready to set a pool on it. I got 12 to 14 bags of sand for a 10 to 12 foot pool. More or less, that's probably going to work, depending on how thick you want the sand at the bottom. Mine's pretty good. You can see I'm getting a good inch, 2 inches, heck, 2 to 3 inches in some spots, depending on how level you got that dirt. But there it is, sand after the dirt. Level it out. That 2x4 is money. 2x4 with a threaded rod in it, half the radius of your pool, which is half the diameter, and you're good to go. Roll that thing around until she's level, and you will have an easy setup. Put the pool on it, fill it up, have some fun. All right, check out 3. We'll get that thing installed.